A sharp rebuke this evening from the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, to civil society and human rights groups calling on the government to issue body-worn cameras to the police, especially those who engage in high-risk operations. The National Security Minister says only the police commissioner can decide who in the force wears body-worn cameras and that no other person or group will dictate their preference in the way a Don would. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
27 people have been killed by the security forces in the first 21 days of April, a tally that takes the overall figure across the 100 mark to 103 since the start of the year. The incidents continue to worry stakeholders, triggering fresh calls for body-worn cameras to be issued to the police teams and formations involved in planned operations.
Body-worn cameras are part of modern police equipment, and the only person who have the authority and the professional capacity to instruct where they should go is the Commissioner of Police as the chief. No civil society organization can tell us where to put them. That was what was damaging the police for years. Everybody like cowboy policing and downmanship and then tell police how to go police. Cameras are good for transparency and accountability, and we will continue to acquire.
In January, the JCF said it received and began deploying 1,000 body-worn cameras across the police force. The National Security Minister says another 1,000 will be provided soon. This piece of technology, it is felt, will help provide clarity on police operations that end in fatalities. But body-worn cameras are not the only additional eyes the police will have on the streets.
We are strengthening Jamaica program, National CCTV Surveillance Network. We are expanding the cameras. We are looking at a target of 3,000 cameras over time. But we are not quite there. We will be acquiring additional one this year, and we will complete that process by the 28th budget year.
And speaking of technology, 2026 is expected to be the last year of the police station logbook. The large hardcover book in which officers write statements arguably reflects the lack of progress in policing in the country.
We continue to digitize across the They have a whole team digitizing records from 2013, and by the end of this financial year, all our police stations will have their front desk with computers, and the big books will begin to grow.
For the National Security Minister, those investments in technology and other aspects of crime fighting are working.
We're now on the threshold of achieving another in the historic low. Yes. The first quarter of the calendar year has already recorded a significant 29% reduction decline in murders compared to the corresponding period last year.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.